How about you take down my number to make this a little easier?
Hey, sir.
Hey, tell them to hold up.
What is your number? Where are you from?
Barrington.
Oh,
Just call it right now.
I'm from Chicago.
So, I come down here all the time.
Born and raised here.
I'm originally from Jersey. Pick up your phone.
July 1st. What? July 1st. July 1st.
July 1st?
Yeah.
What's that?
That's when we're getting married.
So, I got.
Hang on, what's up?
That was funny. I got a quick question for you.
All right, what's up? Hold on, Mom.
Did it hurt?
Did it hurt?
Yeah.
Oh my God, do not.
Oh, I have to.
Yes, it hurt when it fell from heaven.
Oh, I was wondering because you did look like an angel when I saw you walking. So
I'm recording right now.
I am. I have my own YouTube channel.
That is so cool.
Yeah. So I figured I'd say, well, I saw her walking. She looks cute. I'm a troller for just a second, just so I could get you a part of the channel, if that's okay.
Oh no, that's fine.
I mean, you're beautiful, so I'm sure everybody in the comments will say, "Damn, she's hot. Damn, she's beautiful." I'm sure.
Can you talk to my mom?
I could. I can.
We're gonna be on YouTube.
I can. Yeah, you can put her on speaker. It's
All
fine.
right, Mom, talk.
All right.
Hey there, how you doing?
Hello, what's going on?
I'm doing all right. My name is Brandon, but they call me Moto Sixanity on YouTube, so I wanted to say hello.
Okay, darling. Hello.
Yeah. Yes, and I just wanted to say your daughter is very beautiful. She is absolutely gorgeous.
Well, thank you. She
I'm-
takes after her mother.
I was just about to say that. I'm sure she takes after you.
Mom's hotter than I am.
She gets it from her mama, right?
Oh, yeah.
That's right.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm not going to hold you up. This is just a temporary spam card. I had some spam cards made, but I ran out, so that's just a couple other ones.
Well, it's nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too.
Favor? Can you try to call my phone? I think I lost it in the mall. Just see if someone picks it up. Oh, can you try to call my phone? I think I lost it in the mall. Is that okay? I'm sorry. I think so. That's why I came back here. I checked all the ground and everywhere else over here and thought it might have fell out of my pocket, and then only other place I've been was the mall, so 602. Sorry, just 1 minute, I'll be done. Just see if someone answers it. And if they do, I'll just ask them if they're in the mall. Hey, I got it. Oh my God, that was smooth. Thank you for your number, though.
Hey, where are you ladies headed?
Your pants.
Down. All right.
Your pants.
Excuse me. Hi. I just have to give you one of these. One more thing. I don't know, is it working on you?
It's working.
Yes!
No, I just wanted to see if you're cute. No, it's not bad. I was just kidding. Dude, I was just playing. I'm sorry. I made you laugh. I made you laugh, though. You can just laugh it off now.
Come on, Nan, get on. Oh my God.
This is great fun. Bye.
See ya.
I'm so comfy right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna stay. Why? Everyone's got off.
What's that? You want to ride? Yeah. Do you? All right. never been on a motorcycle before? Up on the pegs right there. Nope, that's a muffler. There you go. Yeah, right there. Yeah. I won't fall over. Oh, what's your name? What's your name? Emma. Emma? I'm not gonna fall over. You from around here? Green Bay. Yeah. You in college? Huh? What, you in college?
Well, just graduated.
College?
No.
High school? God damn. You make me feel old.
How old are you?
24. What's that? You're going to Milwaukee? That's a good school. You're not going to fall.
On the bush. What happened, man?
Did you sit on some sugar? Did you sit on some sugar? Cause that booty's sweet. What's your name? What's your name? Cynthia? You have a boyfriend? Huh? You do? How long have you had that problem? He doesn't care that you come to school looking like that, huh? No, like looking like that, like showing skin. You're not? Let me get your number. Why not? Why? You're faithful? You're faithful? Yeah? That's good. Take care.
Mommy! Text me.
Oh, get oh, I'm gonna tell your phone dead. His phone dead, so I'm gonna put it in mine.
Okay.
Just get his, and then we'll link up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go out with my friends tonight. Do you guys live out here?
Yes, I stay on VA Beach, and he stays.
Oh, me too. Well, I don't. I'm from there, so I'm gonna.
Okay, where y'all going out at?
I don't know yet.
Hold on. What's your number?
It's, what are you guys' names?
Quentin.
Quentin? Jasmine?
Trey.
Hey, Jasmine?
Yeah. Trey? You have your little GoPros on, huh?
Yeah, I
You guys
got.
aren't messing around.
Hey, no, look, if you're free, I got a little YouTube channel. He got a YouTube channel too. So.
I make a YouTube channel too.
What phone?
Hey,
All right,
you guys.
I got you. I'll hit you up. Appreciate. All right, bro. All right, see you. Take it easy.
You wouldn't mind if I tell you something, would you? I'm not gonna hurt you. You wouldn't mind if I tell you something, would you? If you were a triangle, you would be a cute one.
Thank you.
I got a YouTube channel. They call me Moto 6 Sanity. Yeah, so you know, I know you was kind of like scared at first. You was probably like, oh God, is he gonna hurt me? Is he gonna like kidnap me? It's like, oh God. I mean, I know it's kind of suspicious, you know, black guy, black motorcycle. You know, I'm just playing. I actually got a YouTube channel, so yeah, check me out whenever you want. You're gonna be on it later, so yeah, so you'll see yourself. You have a good one. You don't mind if I tell you something?
What?
You don't mind if I tell you something?
What?
You're mighty beautiful.
Thank you.
Now, before you go, I do want to tell you a very cheesy pickup line, okay? I need a Band-Aid.
You need a Band-Aid?
Yeah, I need a Band-Aid.
Okay.
Because I just fell for you.
Wow.
No, I know it's corny. It's corny. I got a YouTube channel, so
Okay.
yeah, I'm just going around just making a whole bunch of people laugh and making their day. So
Okay.
let me give you one of my spam cards real quick if I can find one. I had them on me somewhere. Ah, there we go. If I can get it. I actually just gave out my last spam cards, but I had to make extras. So just check me out on YouTube. They call me Moto6Sanity, and I guarantee you I will make you laugh with a lot of my corniness and my hilariousness around campus.
Okay.
So you might even see some familiar people you know on my videos.
Okay.
All right, you have a good one, all right? You're welcome.